How you hold it? Right, we're out on a hike. This is day 2 of the great adventure with Alex. How you feeling, Alex?
There's a hill. There's a hill. It's all hills.
We can also go up there, which I think would be cool.
Why not?
Let's do it.
Let's just do it.
All right, we're running out of food and water.
Exactly. That's not an avalanche start. Oh, don't fall.
That's you.
When you go. Let's see the first one to get hit.
How you doing, Alex? How you been? How you doing, Nathaniel? Woo! Say cheese. We gotta get to this tower. Where is it? Where is it? Over there. Mystery of what happened. Up. Why'd you bring a knife?
It's a throwing knife.
Why'd you bring it? No.
Alright, you mother.
Made it. The tower. Congratulations.
What do we get?
Girl! Wanna get off your phone?
You wanna like leave me alone? Bro, we already eat. Come on, Brian.
I'm coming. I'm running.
Love Star Wars.
You what? Say it like a man.
Love Star Wars.
You heard it here, folks. It's getting really cold. I don't think we're gonna make it, Alex.
Well, we tried.
What's over there?